everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Susie by name, the African dancing queen. One love, everyone. Yes, to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your continuous support. I sincerely appreciate your continuous support. Means a lot to me. Yes, and to my new viewers, thank you so much for stopping by. Yes, and I do raw and unedited video, yes, about my lifestyle, what I do for a living. That is what I upload. Yes, so if you like raw and unedited videos, kindly subscribe. It is free to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a video, you will get notified. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you my daily routine as Nigerian village woman. So let me show you. I just remember now that I need to record this video so that I'll upload it later for you to view it. Yes, but I'm almost done with mopping. So this is the room. I've tidied up the room, dressed the bed and all that, you know. Yes, I've cleaned, mop. You can see the floor. It's neat. Yes. So I also clean the parlor. Yes, although I'm not done, still mopping. The TV set is clean. Yes, with clean water, soapy water. You know how we used to do it. Yes. So let me finish cleaning. So it is the second mopping I'm doing, just like rinsing the floor. Yes, this is what I'm doing. So mommy, my mop is broken, but it's still useful. It's still useful. Very much useful. So I'm done like this. Rinse the floor and yes. So I've worn my nose mask so that because of dust. Let me see. I'm done removing all the grasses. You can see I just gathered them that side to wither. So let me rest a bit because there's still like 2 hours for me to pick up the kids from school. I'm done bathing. I've rested a bit. Now I want to go and pick them from school. It's time to go and pick them from school. Sorry, I had to cover my head because of the sun. It is sunny, so this one will provide shade for me. Then from school we are heading home now. Yes, came back. They rested a bit before they started doing their home front. So this one is for my son. This is what he wrote as home fund. That is assignment. You can see it. They wrote it. Home fund, 6th of February 2025. Yes, so this is what he wrote. This is the second one. This is the second one. This is what he wrote. So the senior one too is done. So right now I'm heading to go and fetch water, drinking water. I'll take you all along with me. Let's go and see where I normally fetch drinking water. We buy it. Yes, we buy it. So let me go. I'm back. Let me take the water inside. Actually enter the bike. Yes, sorry, I was not able to video the place properly because of the children that were there. Yes, so that is why I just focus on the tab to record. See you in my next video. Bye. One love, everyone.